all the best career options after 12th arts. Every year, millions of students complete their higher secondary in arts stream. And after board exams, every student is riddled what to do after boards. So yeah, this video is just for you. My name is Ayushi Jain and welcome back to my channel Fixer English with Ayushi, and today's video is going to be about the career guidance for the students of class 12 after arts stream. What you can do after 12th arts. So stick with this video and share this video to everyone. So without further delay, let's start the video. There are many types of career options after 12th arts. So some of them are: first career option is Bachelor of Arts, that is BA. BA is a full-time 3-year degree course in which the major subjects can be humanities, social sciences, liberal arts, and you can do specializations in subjects like history, geography, physics, um, fine arts, journalism, mass media, anthropology, and all the major languages such as Hindi, English, French, and many more. So yeah, it is one of the um, what we can say that it is one of the most liked career option by the students after class 12th arts. Best thing about graduating in BA honors is that students can enjoy the plenty of job opportunities in the industries like mass media, communication, tourism and hospitality, media, aviation, entertainment, and many government sectors also. Second career option is Bachelor of Fine Arts, that is BFA. Is one of the best career option, or it is one of the most liked career option among the students, and it is just for the student who have their interest in any creative sides. Just like BA, it is also a 3-year course. So you can what you can study in this course is like fine arts, visual arts, performing arts, etc. And also take some of the specializations such as theater, sculpting, music, filmmaking, and dance, pottery making, ceramics, creative writing, architectural drawing, etc. BFA graduate students can choose their career as teachers, professors, musicians, dancers, drama actors, theatre actors, and directors, and many more. Third career option for the students is Bachelor of Business Administration, that is BBA. It is one of the best career option for students after class 12th. Just like other courses, it is also a 3-year course in which includes the basics of business administration and finances, etc. So by doing this course, you can get jobs in industries like in sales, management, and marketing, finance, education, fertility, government, etc. Common specializations in BBA is HR management, sales and marketing, finance, information technology, and many more. After obtaining BBA degree, the student can get highest paying jobs in sectors like um, in the role of HR manager, HR executive, marketing manager, marketing. Next career option is integrated law courses, that is BA LLB. It is a full-fledged 5-year course which is divided into 10 semesters. BA LLB course includes the following subjects such as sociology, economics, history, etc. with chief law subjects such as crime law, human rights, company law, international law, environmental law, civil procedure code, and CPC, and many more. Next career option for students is Bachelor of Journalism and Communication, or Bachelor of Journalism or Mass Communication, that is BJ. Of Journalism and Mass Communication is a complete 3-year course which is divided into 6 semesters. It contains the basics of journalism and mass media or communication. The variety of fields such as print journalism, television and radio production, writing, advertising, public relations, event management, and many more. A graduate student can get jobs under the fields in radio, television, print media, TV productions, films, and marketing, advertising. Next career option is Bachelor of Fashion Design, that is BFD. It is an undergraduate course which is about 3 to 4 years. It is the course for students who are just planning to enter in the fashion industry. It contains specializations in various fields such as accessory designing, footwear designing, garment designing, jewelry designing. Graduating with BFD course, you can get jobs in various fashion graduate students get job roles like retail fashion, merchandiser, personal shopper, textile designers, garment sample coordinator. And next career option for the student is Bachelor of Hotel Management, that is BHM. It is also a course which is about 3 to 4 years. Covers the broad range of specializations including tourism management, event management, lodging management, food and beverage industry, etc. BHM graduate student can bag job offers like hotel manager, accommodation manager, sales manager, food and beverage manager, catering officer, event planner, meeting planner, food service manager, etc. That was all for today. You can choose your career according to your interests and skills. So all the very best for each student who are just appearing for class 12th or who has just passed class 12th. So yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and don't forget to share this video to every student. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, bye.